Hello, welcome back to my vlog. Today also I start my vlog. I live in Saudi Arabia as a foreign employer, as a coffee maker job. I live Saudi Arabia. I live in Saudi Arabia 4 year and half, near 5 years. So this is my vlog. I want to explore in Saudi Arabia as a coffee maker job, foreign employer, how to survive the daily life, so what sacrifice. And one more thing, what expectation versus what we get reality. People see my video, maybe it's simple, just making vlog from Saudi Arabia. But what you think, what you see is not actually what we have sacrificed. It's the most important thing. So I want to give the people inspiration in Saudi Arabia how to survive daily life alone without your family, without your friend, not in your country. It's a foreign country. This is the everything is her alone. Then do everyday work is all too long. Then cook by self. So my duty hour night shift. That's why now I come out from accommodation before half hour. My accommodation to workplace duration time 20 minutes. That's why I have to come out half hour before. Then I think about for me that is every problem. If you can get the opportunity. It is just not for the war. It is just for the reality also. Even to me, if my accommodation to workplace 20-minute duration time. So that time I got it opportunity. What opportunity? It means that time I can make the perfect video for me the enough the time. So I can take the scene, the reality. So this is the Saudi Arabia. My part of the city is the Al Rash. So this is the Al Rash. When you see this is the Al Rash. So Saudi Arabia is every city is the different development. That's why now in my when I live, that place is not a big city. It's just a normal city. So you can see this is the ground. So this ground before 1 week is almost the green, but now become all dry the grass. So many people doesn't know about Saudi Arabia is what to sacrifice the daily life. So that's why I make the video. Allah So now I make the video is just for slowly talking because I don't have the more content. I don't have to talk to more. Just I want to explore the reality. Means what we get the reality, physical. So every situation I take the video, then I upload in my YouTube channel, daily life. Now is 37. Before I came out, I checked temperature, hot 37. It means just over hot. In this hot temperature, people cannot survive easily. This is very hard, very difficult. So this is even the new person if comes Saudi Arabia, maybe for him it's big problem this temperature hot. But even all who already live in Saudi Arabia, that guy for the normal, he can survive easily because have but that day by day we will come out, we will live in here. That's why we can feel the better. Our body is changed. It means day by day we take the hot. That's why we feel the normal. So this is Saudi Arabia is reality. So this is my duration time. I walking, I go by myself. This is not for me. I explore the video. Also many people, many country can see what we survive the daily life alone in Saudi Arabia, especially coffee maker life. But all person can survive same like that daily life. But especially doesn't match the properly the other sector. That's coffee maker life can properly become the match. Similar situation we have to face the similar situation. So I'm not exploring just for a video. I also inspiration. I want to give also people take inspiration from my this video. So doesn't take the headache, doesn't feel the bad. Just do work, sleep. Just do work, go to sleep. Day by day, you can make the easy to daily survive. So if I know some information in Saudi Arabia, also I can give the information, but not just for the all. Also, I'm not okay. It means I not say I give you the right answer. I give the right way. It is not mean. It means if I know, I give. I inform you. But just like my exploring, like in my future, I can see the back my what is my life, daily life, how I become that how I face that situation before past time. In my future, if I see this video, so that time also I can see that this my video. Also many people understand, many people can take advice, information, what reality versus what we get expectation in Saudi Arabia. Just like to me, every situation, every moment I take the capture in my video. If I have the one day, weekly off day, that day, some place I go, I be myself refresh. I visit the other coffee shop, go my supermarket, like that. So this is the not a normal. Maybe people think this is the normal video. This is the everyone can survive the daily life. But not just like that. Who survived? Who is already survived? That guy already doesn't know is how to take easily handle this situation. Also he outside the big pain, dark, hidden the pain. That's why people can take advice. Don't think overthink. This is the Saudi Arabia. You have to survive the minimum. Every employer 2 years, minimum 3 years. So this is my reality daily life. Survive. So from my this video, also people can take advice and can people inspiration from my this video, because I doesn't want to talk English because my followers, my subscribers from many country. And that's why if I make Hindi, Angrezi doesn't know. If I know Angrezi, doesn't know Arabic. If I know Angrezi, if I know Angrezi, if I know Arabic, if I know Hindi, the Bali doesn't know. That's why I think the better way, English. That's why I start the vlog. Language, English. So my timing is almost, I think it's finished. Over time. My timing just like 10 to 15 minutes. So I think today is enough for video time. I have to now close my camera. So before close I want to, but now I have to stop.